maging matiyaga upang matuto dito sa aking channel, Sir John. Good day everyone! Once again, welcome to my channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay sa inyong lingkod. Now, we are on our 4th week lesson, which is about solving percent problems. In this lesson, you will apply what you have learned in finding the percentage, rate, and base. Kung inyong matatandaan, ito yung ating last week lesson, which is about the percentage, rate, and base. And we found out na kapag percentage, it is rate times base or base times rate. But if you are looking for the rate, it is percentage over the base, and looking for the base, it is percentage over the rate. At the end of this lesson, you will understand how to solve problems involving percent problems, like problems involving discounts, original price, rate of discount, sale price, markup price, commission, sales tax, and simple interest. Well, if you are ready, then let us now proceed to our discussion. Learning task number 1. We're asked to complete the table. If you notice, titingnan natin yung nasa taas ng table. Meron tayong selling price, rate of discount, discount, and sale price. Isa-isahin muna natin kung anong ibig sabihin itong mga to. When we say selling price, it is the amount a buyer pays for a product or service. Selling price can also be known as mark price, list price, or standard price. So, ito yung kung saan ay amount na babayaran natin sa isang produkto o sa isang serbisyo. Next, we have the discount rate or rate of discount. Acronym natin, DR, is the percent taken off from the original price. So, normally, ito yung palagi nating naririnig na discount. Kagaya ng mga senior citizen and PWD, palagi silang merong 20% discount. At syempre pa, pag namasyal tayo sa mall, may makikita tayong discount rate na nakabandera sa kanilang mga paninda. Next, we have the discount. Discount is a decrease in the price of an item. So when we say discount, ito pala yung pagbaba ng presyo ng ating babayaran. And it refers to the amount to be deducted from the original price. So kung merong discount, yung original price mababawasan. Okay? And lastly, we have the sale price, which is the SP, is the net price or discounted price. It is the price of the item after the discount has been deducted. So matapos bawasin ang discount, yun yung tinatawag nating sale price. Discount and sale price both represent percentage. Ibig sabihin, kung last week ang pinag-usapan natin is about percentage, so similar to that ay yung discount na tinatawag o yung sale price. Then original price or the OP is the regular price charge of the item. This represents the base. So meron na tayong nagre-represent ng percentage, meron na rin tayong nagre-represent ng base. And then we also have this discount rate or rate of discount. Siyempre pa, siya yung nagre-represent ng rate. So, kung i-apply natin yung percentage, which is equivalent to base times rate, in this case, lumalabas na discount and sale price is equivalent to original price times the discount rate. So, yun, sabi nga natin, if percentage is base times rate, magiging itong D equals OP times DR. P for percentage, B for base, R for rate. While on the other hand, yung D is for discount, and then pwede rin namang yung sale price, which is equivalent to the original price times the rate of discount or the discount rate. Okay? Now, using the formula discount, which is the original price times the discount rate, how can we solve problem number 1? So in problem 1, the original price or the selling price is 950 pesos, while the rate of discount or discount rate is 20%, which is equivalent to 0.20. Bakit nga naging 0.20? I-move natin yung decimal point from the end 2 places to the left. Kaya siya naging 0.20. And since discount is original price times the discount rate, we now have 950 times 0.20. So kapag i-multiply natin, yun, 0 to 950, we have 0, 0, 0. And 2 to 950, kapag i-multiply natin, is 1,900. And for the last 0, multiplied by 950, ay the 3 zeros. Adding the 3, so we have 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, then 3 zeros is 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 1 plus 0 is 1. And since we have 2 decimal places, from the end, move tayo ng 2 decimal places to the left. Ano ngayon ang nakita natin? It's 190.00, which of course equivalent to 190 pesos. At yun ang ating discount from the selling price with a rate of discount 20%. Okay? So nalagyan na natin yung table for discount. Next, for the sale price, it is the original price minus the discount based on our definition kanina. So, kung ang ating original price or selling price is 950 pesos and the discounted price is 190, ano ngayon ang mangyayari? Subtract the two, 950 minus 190. So, we have 0, 0, then 0. 5 minus 9 is cannot be. 5 will become what? 15. And 9 will become what? 8. Okay? So, 15 minus 9 is 6, while 8 minus 1 is 7. Meron na tayong 760.00, which of course equivalent to 760 pesos. So, napuna na natin yung ating problem number 1. Okay? Now, if you look at problem number 2, it's almost the same with problem number 1. Kaya naman, kayo muna ang magta-try nito. Pero syempre pa, i-guide kayo ng sir. So, tingnan natin yung problem number 2. So, for you to solve problem number 2, again, our original price or selling price is 550 pesos. For the rate of discount or discount rate is 35%, which is equivalent to 0.35. Ano ngayon ang una nyong gagawin? Eto, i-multiply nyo yung 550 by 0.35. So, again, take note. If you look at your problem, meron kayong 2 decimal places. That's why, mag-move kayo mamaya ng 2 decimal places to the left. And for the sale price, or di papaano nyo yun? Diba yung original price, which is 550 pesos, minus your computed discount. So, yun ang inyong gagawin. And whatever it is, yun ang lalabas na sagot sa sale price. Gets natin? Okay. Next, problem number 3. Rate of discount is equivalent to discount divided by the original price. So, ito yung ating magiging formula ngayon. That the rate of discount is equivalent to discount divided by the original price. So, let us analyze. Original price or selling price is 1,550 pesos. While the amount of discount is 697 pesos and 50 centavos. Paano natin ngayon siya isosolve? So, we will divide 697 pesos and 50 centavos by 1,550. Obviously, you cannot divide 697 at first. So, you need to move one more place to the right. So, it is now 6,975 divided by 1,550, which is equivalent to 4. And 4 times 1,550 is 6,200. If you subtract 6,975 and 6,200, that is equivalent to 775. Then bring down 0. It is now 7,750 divided by 1,550. And that is equivalent to 5. And 5 times 1,550 is equivalent to 7,750. And since the two are equal, their difference is 0. Now, if you look at your quotient, it is equivalent to 0.45. Since you are looking for the rate of discount or discount rate, yung decimal point, kailangan i-move 2 places to the right. And 0.45 now will become what? 45%. Okay? So, kitang-kita. And then, for the sale price, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa numbers 1 and 2, kayang-kaya nyo siya. Original price minus the discount price. Okay? Ano ngayon ang sagot? So, isubtract nyo lang, malalagyan nyo yung column ng sale price para sa ating number 3. Ayos? Ayos. Problems number 4, 5, and 6. This time, yun namang headings natin ay merong original price, markup rate, markup price, and selling price. Lagyan ulit natin ng definition. When we say original price or the OP, it is the regular price charge of the item. Markup rate or MR is the percent to be added to the cost of item. From the word up, mark up, so pagtaas. Kung kanina yung discount ay pagbawas, itong markup rate naman ay pagtaas. Markup price or MP is the amount added from the original price. Ibig sabihin, kanina tayo nakapagbawas. Ngayon sa markup price from the original price, dadagdagan pa natin ang presyo. Kaya ito ay tataas. Okay? And for the selling price, it is the amount a buyer pays for a product or service. Kagaya ng tinawag na, let's say, define natin kanina, which is also be known as mark price, list price, or standard price. Okay? Now, pag sinabing markup price, that is equivalent to original price times markup rate. Parang kagaya rin lang kanina, yung discount rate, okay, times the selling price or let's say the original price, nakukuha natin yung discount. But this time, for us to get the markup price, it is original price times markup rate. In symbol, it is what? MP equals OP times MR. So MP for markup price, OP for original price, and MR for markup rate. Okay? So from the formula MP equals OP times MR, to answer problem number 4, OP is 950 pesos. Yun yung original price. While the markup rate is 20%, which is equivalent to 0.20. Okay? Now, let us compute. It is 950 times 0.20. Kagaya din lang ito nung kaninang number 1. So, after solving, meron tayong 190.00. Again, since ang problem ay merong 2 decimal places, from the end, mag-move kayo ng 2 places to the left. Kaya siya naging 190.00. And that is equivalent to 190 pesos. Okay? Now, how can we compute the selling price? So, selling price this time is original price plus the MP o yung tinatawag nating markup price. Kanina, sa discount, minus ang ginamit. Pero ngayon, sa markup price, plus naman. Ibig sabihin, from the original price of 950 pesos and the markup price of 190 pesos, kapag inad natin, that is equivalent to 1140.00, which of course equivalent to 1,140 pesos. So, that's it. Yun yung ating example number 4. Siyempre pa, yung sample number 5, kaya-kaya itong gawin. Tama? So, tingnan nga natin. Example number 5. Again, our formula MP is equal to OP times MR. So our OP is 550 pesos and our MR is 35%, which is 0.35. Ano ang gagawin nyo? I-multiply lang ninyo. So parang kagaya ito nung number 2. And how can you compute the selling price? Selling price is equivalent to OP plus MP. So OP, original price, MP ay markup price. So masosolve na ninyo yung inyong selling price. So ito yon, 550 pesos plus your answer dun sa product na 550 times 35 hundredths. Okay? Next, problem number 6. Our new pattern or formula is what? MR equals MP divided by OP. MR, markup rate, is equivalent to MP, markup price, divided by the OP, the original price. So, number 6 natin, ang OP is 1,550, which is the original price, while the MP or markup price is 697 pesos and 50 centavos. Paano natin isosolve? Kagaya kanina, our quotient is equivalent to 0.45. Ibig sabihin, anong gagawin natin? I-move yung 2 places to the right. Ang sagot ay di 45%. Tama? So, yun yung ilalagay nyo sa markup rate. And to compute for the selling price, OP plus MP, ano ngayon ang mangyayari? It's 1,550 pesos plus 697 pesos and 50 centavos. So, kayang-kaya nyo itong i-add. So, that is our problem number 6. Problem number 7 and 8 talks about commission. So, kung titingnan nyo yung nasa taas, meron tayong total sales, rate of commission, and commission. Alamin muna ulit natin. When we say commission or C, it is an amount of money a person receives for selling something. Yon. Pagka pala ikaw ay seller, halimbawa, nagbebenta ka ng bahay, ng lupa, kotse, at iba pang gamit, ay meron kang pwedeng ma-receive na commission. Yun ay kung meron kang amo na pinagsisilbihan. Okay? Tapos, total sales, TS, is the total amount of sales made by the salesperson. Yun. Yun yung presyo, yung total sales. And commission rate or CR is the percent taken off from the selling price. Okay? So that is our commission rate. Now, how can we compute commission? So C is equivalent to TS times CR, or commission equals total sales times the commission rate. So tingnan natin yung problem number 7. In problem number 7, ang TS natin is 15,000 pesos, while the commission rate is 5%, which is of course equivalent to 0.05. Take note ha, 2 places to the left ang movement from percent to decimal. Kaya instead of 5, naging siyang 0.05. Yun lang. Minsan marami nagkakamali dito. Okay? Kaya ingat din. Now, to compute, sabi nga natin, commission is TS times CR or total sales times commission rate. So, meron tayong 15,000 times 0.05. So, kapag i-multiply natin yung 5 by 15,000, it is 75,000. Kita nyo? Yung 0 multiplied by 15,000, 5 zeros. And next 0 ay multiplied by 15,000, again, 5 zeros. Add lang natin pababa. So, 0, we have 0, 0, 0. Okay, so 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 0 is 5, while 7 plus 0 is 7, plus 0 is 7. And since yung dalawang zeros naman ay nasa unahan ng 750, kahit hindi na natin ilagay. So, meron na tayo ngayong 750.00, which of course equivalent to 750 pesos. Ibig sabihin, kung ang total sales ay 15,000 at bibigyan ka ng, let's say, 5% commission, ang kikitain mo ay 750 pesos. So, that is our answer dun sa problem number 7. Next, problem number 8. To solve problem number 8, our total sales now is equivalent to commission divided by the commission rate or rate of commission. So let us analyze. Our C in this case is 20,458 pesos, while our rate of commission or commission rate is 14%, which of course equivalent to 0.14. Now, to compute, we have, let's say, 2,045,800 divided by 14. Why 2,045,800? Kasi nga, from point 14, i-move natin ng 2 places to the right. Kaya yung 20,458 nadagdagan ng 2 zero. Kaya naging 2,045,800 divided by 14. Bakit nagdagdag pa si Sir dito ng decimal point? Kasi after dividing it, ay meron pang mga sumunod na remainder. Kaya nagdagdag pa ang Sir ng another zeros. Okay? Now, let us take a look dun sa ating problem. At first, we have 20 divided by 14. The answer is 1. 1 times 14 is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Bring down 4. 64 divided by 14 is 4, which is 56. 64 minus 56 is 8. Bring down 5. 85 divided by 14 is 6. 6 times 14 is 84. So 85 minus 84 is 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 14 is 1. 1 times 14 is 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 14 is 2. 2 times 14 is 28. 40 minus 28 is 12. Then bring down 0. It's 120 divided by 14. The answer is 8. 8 times 114 is 112. 120 minus 112 is 8. Bring down 0. It's 80 divided by 14. So the answer is 5. 5 times 14 is 70. 80 minus 70 is 10. Bring down 0. It is now 100 divided by 14. And that is 7. And 7 times 14 is 98. A difference of 2. So our answer now is 146,128.57, which of course equivalent to 146,128 pesos and 57 centavos. So that is our answer dito sa problem number 8. Problems 9 and 10 talks about simple interest. Meron tayo dito ang principal amount, rate, time, and simple interest. When we say interest, I is an amount of money earned for using another's money over a period of time. So, ito naman yung tinutubo mo. Okay? Na kapag ikaw ay, let's say, naglagak ng certain amount, merong kikitain yung amount na yon in a certain period of time. Okay. Next, principal or P. So, that is your principal amount. Is the amount of money deposited, invested, or borrowed. Yan. Kapag pala ikaw ay nagdeposito, nag-invest at nangutang, yun ang tinatawag na principal amount. Kung saan, yung principal amount mo ay magkakaroon ng interest or yung tinatawag na tubo. Okay? Rate of interest R is the percent added to the principal amount borrowed or invested. Yun. yung usapan ng rate of interest, dun tayo maapektuhan. Kung gaano kalaki ang rate na ipapatong dun sa principal amount. And then, time or T is the length of time which money has been deposited or borrowed. It always computed in terms of year. So, pag time ang pinag-usapan, dapat palaging year. Kung ito ay months lang, ay di magiging fraction or decimal ang inyong magiging time sa case na to. Pero kung ito ay naka-year na, di wala nang magiging problema. Okay? Now, sabi natin, pag interest, ito ay equivalent to P times R times T. Ibig sabihin, interest is equivalent to principal amount times rate times time. So to answer problem number 9, our P is 25,000 pesos. Our rate is 5.5%, which of course equivalent to 0.055. Again, we need to move the point 2 places to the left. Kaya siya naging 0.055. And the time, which is 3 and 1/2 years, is equivalent to 3.5. Saan naman ang galing yung 0.5? Kapag dinivide yung 1 and 2, that is equivalent to 0.5. Okay? Kaya siya ay naging 3.5. Now, to compute, unahin muna natin yung principal times the rate. 25,000 times 0.055. Yung 5 sa huli, pag i-multiply by 25,000, it's 125,000. The second 5 multiplied by 25,000, again, is 125,000. At yung 0 naman, multiplied by 25,000, edi 0. Dito, hindi ko na pinakita yung isa pang 0 kasi 0 din lang naman yon. Okay? Pero kung gusto nyong ilagay, ay pwede naman. Then add. We have 0, 0, 0, then 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 3. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So, bakit tayo merong 3 decimal places? Kasi nga, dun sa problem, merong 3 decimal places. Kaya, ang sagot natin sa baba is 1375.000. So, ito ay dun pa lang sa principal amount times the rate. Now, let us continue. 1375, tinanggal na natin yung 0.000 para hindi tayo mahirapan kasi 0 lang naman yun, yung nasa huli. So, 1375 times 3.5. Yung 5, pag minultiply sa 1375, that is 6875 or 6,875. And then 3 multiplied by 1,375 is equivalent to 4,125. So add lang natin 5, bring it down. 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. Plus 8 is 9, plus 2 is 11, carry 1. Plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And then bring down 4. Since sa problem, meron tayong 1 decimal place, dun sa 48125 from the end, move tayo ng 1 decimal place to the left. So that is 4812.5, which of course equivalent to 4,812 pesos and 50 centavos. So, ibig sabihin, kung ikaw pala ay nangutang ng 25,000 pesos, tapos ang napagkasunduan yung rate ay 5.5%, after 3.5 years, ang iyong babayarang interest ay 4,812 pesos and 50 centavos. Okay? Next. Problem number 10. Since ang nawawala ay rate, our pattern or formula is what? Interest divided by the product of the principal times the time. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Our principal amount is 4,200 pesos. Uy, makikikorek lang ha, napasobra ng zero answer. It should be 4,200 pesos. Okay? While the time is 4 years, kaya meron tayong 4. And for the interest is 252 pesos. So, paano natin i-compute? Meron tayong 4,200 times 4. O, unahin muna natin yung product ng principal and time. Kasi doon sa ating formula, merong product ng principal and time. And that is equivalent to 16,800. Okay? Next, 252 pesos divided by 16,800. So, obviously, we cannot divide 252 by 16,800. Pag nag-move tayo one place to the left, 2,520, hindi pa rin pwedeng i-divide by 16,800. So, move ulit tayo one place to the right. It is now 25,200 divided by 16,800, which of course equivalent to 1. And 1 times 16,800 is 16,800. Then subtract 25,200 minus 16,800 is 8,400. Bring down 0. We now have 84,000 divided by 16,800. The quotient is 5. And 5 times 16,800 is 84,000. And 84,000 minus itself, the difference is 0. Now, if you look at your quotient, it is 0.015. At katulad ng ating ginagawa, from decimal to percent, imumove natin yung point 2 places to the right. So, ang sagot is what? 1.5%. Okay? So, yan ang sagot sa ating problem number 10. Learning task number 2. Problem number 1. A red dress priced at 550 pesos is marked 15% off. How much will be the discount? Sabi natin, discount is original price times the discount rate. Ibig sabihin, ang ating magiging pattern dito, 550 times 0.15. So, i-multiply lang ninyo yung 550 times 15 hundredths. At syempre pa, makukuha nyo yung sagot. So, wag kakalimutan, i-move yung point 2 places to the left. Kasi sa problem, meron kayong 2 decimal places. Okay? Problem number 2. Mr. Edwin Lazo paid 13,599 pesos and 15 centavos for a television set that originally cost 15,999 pesos. What is the rate of discount? To solve the problem, alamin muna natin yung amount na na-discount ni Mr. Edwin Lazo. Paano? I-subtract natin yung original price at yung price ng kanyang binayaran. So, kapag sinubtract natin, meron tayong 2,399 pesos and 85 centavos. So, yun ang amount na nadiskwento ni Mr. Lazo. Okay? After this, anong gagawin natin? Ang rate of discount ay discount divided by the original price. So, kita natin. Ang ating discount is 2,399 pesos and 85 centavos. And the original price is 15,999 pesos. So, i-divide natin. O, i-divide lang ninyo ito. Which of course, may guide naman na kung saan ang sagot, kita nyo. Okay? So, kapag ito ay na-divide ninyo, huwag lang ninyong kalilimutang i-move yung decimal point 2 places to the right. Para nang sa gayon, tama ang inyong maging kasagutan. Kasi nga, rate of discount. Ibig sabihin, from decimal point, imumove nyo siya 2 places to the right para maging percent. Okay? Problem number 3. A wristwatch that regularly sells at 1,580 pesos is on sale at 30% off. What is the sale price? So, ano ngayon ang ating gagamiting formula? Discount, which of course equivalent to original price times the discount rate. So, ngayon, paano natin isosolve? Isolve muna yung 1,580 pesos or 1,580, pwede na, times 0.30. Kasi nga, 30%. So, in this case, dahil meron tayong 2 decimal places sa taas, ibig sabihin, imumove natin yung point from the end 2 places to the left. So, that is 474.00. Okay? Now, anong kasunod? From the sale price, which of course equivalent to original price minus the discount, ay di-compute natin. Anong mangyayari? 1,580 pesos minus 474 pesos. Na alam kong kaya niyo itong isolve. So, yun ang sagot sa ating problem number 3. Problem number 4. The sales tax on a 25,400 sala set is 3,048 pesos. What is the rate of sales tax? Paano natin isosolve? Sales tax is equivalent to total amount of products times the rate of sales tax. From this pattern or formula, i-derive lang natin. Para nang sa ganon, sales tax divided by the total amount of products is equivalent to rate of sales tax. Kasi ito yung tinatanong, rate of sales tax. To compute, ang gagawin nyo, divide 3,048 by 25,400 pesos. At syempre pa, dahil ang inyong sagot ay decimal, huwag kalilimutang i-move ng 2 places to the right. So, whatever it is, yun ang sagot dito sa ating problem number 4. Problem number 5. A doll was sold for 2,460 pesos with a 18% discount. What was the original price of the doll? To solve this problem, original price is equivalent to sale price divided by 1 minus the discount rate. Bakit nagkaroon doon ng 1? Kasi yun yung 100%, which of course equivalent to 1. Okay? So, kasi ang hinahanap dito ay yung original price of the doll. Kasi according to this problem, yun daw dal ay nabili niya ng 2,460 pesos kung saan ay 18% discount. Meron siyang, kumbaga discounted siya ng 18%. Kaya ang ating formula ay original price should be equivalent to sale price divided by 1 minus the discount rate. Again, 1 kasi from 100%. Okay? Ano ngayon ang ating OP? 2,460 divided by 1 minus 0.18. Saan ang galing ang 0.18? Doon sa 18%. Okay? Now, 1 minus 0.18 ay 0.82. Kaya naman ang OP is 2,460 divided by 0.82. Tingnan natin. Yan. Meron na kayo ngayong tanong na 246,000 divided by 82. In this case, i-move na ng sir yung decimal point 2 places to the right doon sa point 82. Kaya instead of 2,460 divided by 0.82, naging na siyang 246,000 divided by 82. At syempre pa, kita nyo, eto na yung inyong magiging kasagutan. Wala kayong i-move dahil wala namang decimal point involved. So, kayang-kaya nyo itong gawin. Okay? Problem number 6. How much money did Mr. Deo Lagario deposit to his bank account if at the end of a year it earned an interest of 413 pesos at 3.5 interest rate? So, to solve this problem, simple interest ang pinag-uusapan dito, which of course equivalent to percentage times rate, principal, not percentage. Principal amount times the rate times the time. Pero, syempre pa, dahil ibinigay yung interest, tapos yung interest rate, tapos yung time, ano ngayon ang nawawala natin? So, ang nawawala natin dito is the principal amount. So, to solve, yun ay magiging interest divided by the product of the rate and time. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Unahin muna natin yung product of rate and time. So, that is 0.035 times 1. Saan ang galing yung 0.035? If you look at the problem, ang sabi doon ay 3.5 interest rate. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 3.5% given. From there, imumove mo yung decimal point 2 places to the left. Kaya from 3.5, magiging 0.035. Saan naman ang galing yung 1? Ayun, klarong-klaro sa problem. At the end of a year. A year. Ibig sabihin, isang taon. Okay? Kaya, rate times time is equivalent to 0.035. Okay? To continue, divide mo lang yung 413. Okay? Sa 35. Okay. Bakit naman 413 sa 35, So, dito, i-move na natin, di ba? Instead na 0.035, i-move na ng sir ng 3 places to the right. Kaya yung 413, if you notice, naging 413,000. Okay? So, again, 0.035, i-move ng sir 3 places to the right. So, sa loob, mag-move ka rin 3 places to the right. Kaya ang problem mo na is 413,000 divided by 35. So, dito sa case na to, walang decimal point involved, kaya naman wala kang i-move na decimal. Okay? So, kung ano man yung sagot, yun na ang sagot dito sa problem number 6. Problem number 7. Mrs. Melanie Lazo pays 15 pesos and 75 centavos for each hair clip to its supplier. She decided to add markup of 3 pesos and 15 centavos. What is the markup rate? To solve, meron tayong markup price divided by the original price is equivalent to the markup rate. Ito yung ating magiging pattern. So, tingnan natin. It is 315 divided by 1575. Okay. Bakit naging 315 divided by 1575? Di i-move na natin ng 2 places to the right, yung decimal point. Instead na 3.15 divided by 15.75, ginawa na natin 315 divided by 1,575. And of course, dahil hindi pa sakto yung magiging sagot doon, dinagdagan ng sir ng 2 zeros. And again, if you notice, meron kang decimal point involved and you are looking for the markup rate. Ibig sabihin, dun sa iyong sagot na decimal, huwag kakalimutang i-move ng 2 places to the right. Para na sa ganun, makuha mo yung percent. Okay? So, yan ang ating problem number 7. Problem number 8. Mrs. Irene Lazo, owner of clothing store, pays 200 pesos for PE set uniforms to its supplier. The store's percent of markup is 75%. Find its selling price. To solve the problem, MP is equal to OP times MR. Markup price is equivalent to original price times the markup rate. Okay? So, tingnan natin. 200 times 0.75. 200 kasi 200 pesos. 0.75 kasi 75%. Okay? 5, pag itinimes sa 200, 1,000. 7, once multiplied by 200, 1,400. At yung 0, kapag multiply sa 200 is 0. Then add, we have now 150.00. So sabi nga natin, sa problem, meron tayong 2 decimal places. Okay? Now, to compute selling price, it is OP plus MP. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, original price, 200 pesos plus 150 pesos. Well, I guess, kayang-kaya nyo itong isolve. At syempre pa, kung ano man yan, yun ang ating sagot sa problem number 8. Problem number 9. Mr. Sunny Lazo is a real estate agent. He sold a lot for 1,580,000 pesos. If his agency pays him a 15% commission, how much will he receive? Well, commission ang pinag-uusapan. Therefore, commission is TS, the total sale, plus the rate of commission or commission rate. In this case, anong gagawin natin? 1,580,000 times 0.15. So, dahil meron kang 2 decimal places doon sa iyong tanong, edi syempre pa, yung sagot mo sa baba, huwag kakalimutan, i-move ng 2 places to the left. Okay? So, kung ano man yan, yan ang sagot sa problem number 9. Next, last problem. Problem number 10. Mrs. Conchita borrowed 20,000 pesos at 3.5 interest for 1 year. What was the total amount he paid? No, not he. She paid at the end of the 1-year term. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating interest ay principal amount, lagi ako napapapercent, principal amount times rate times time. So, that is equivalent to 20,000 times 0.035 kasi gawa nga ng 3.5 interest. Times 1 dahil 1 year. So, tingnan natin. It is 20,000 times 0.035. So, i-compute lamang ninyo upang sa gayon, edi makuha yung kasagutan. Tapos, bakit 0.035 lang? Kasi nagkataon na 0.035 times 1 is 0.035 lamang. Kaya 20,000 times 0.035 lang ang inyong i-compute dito sa case na to. Okay? Tapos, huwag kakalimutan i-move yung inyong sagot 3 places to the left. Kasi meron kang 3 places doon, 3 decimal places, doon sa iyong tanong na 20,000 times 0.035. Then, yung sagot mo, i-add mo lang doon sa iyong original price na 20,000 pesos. At syempre pa, alam kong ito ay kaya mo namang. Okay? So, doon nagtatapos ang ating lesson week 4 ng ating Mathematics 6. So, once again, thank you sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagtangkilik sa aking channel. Muli, sa ating susunod na pagkikita sa susunod na linggo. Maraming salamat po. Muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong matyagang pakikinig upang matuto dito sa aking channel, Sir Joel. But please do not forget to click like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more notifications. Thank you, thank you!